everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm just gonna vlog my day today. It's a chill day, but I do have the busiest week of my life coming up. So yeah, I'm also gonna style my hair with you right now. I've just had a shower and done my makeup. I'm gonna try this look that Mains by Mel did, where it's like these cute little twisties along the front. I don't know if it's gonna work with my hair shape, but we're gonna try it. This is what I'm using for reference. So I'm going to use this fine comb, and then I've got these clear elastics. Alright, sorry, I just changed position so I could look in the mirror. But she splits her hair in half, and then she uses a comb to kind of section her hair off. I don't know, guys, how this is going to turn out. Oh no, my camera's going to die. Bloody hell. Sorry guys, I just changed cameras because my other one died. So I've done this half and I'll show you how I did it on the next half. I feel like they're not as neat as hers. This is the first time trying and I'm pretty happy. So I'm just gonna dampen this hair. I'm gonna add a bit of Bondi Boost Curl Boss Cream just to keep the hairs nice and slick. And then I'm kind of just estimating the size of each part. Trying to be as neat as I can. I'm not very good at neat hairstyles. And then once I have the section, I just kind of twist it at the base. She does a more specific technique, but I'm just kind of twisting and then tying as close as I can to my scalp. I just got these little elastics from Priceline. I didn't have any clear ones. So that's another section tied off. And I'm just looking at the other side that I've done and kind of making sure it's even to that. I've got to use a very sharp comb to make sure the parts are nice and neat and slick. Last section, just twisting and kind of pulling it upwards. That's what we have. I have a lot of baby hair, so it doesn't look as neat, but we'll see how it dries. Now I've got to style and add product to the rest of my hair. I'm just going to dampen my hair again. You want the curls to be nice and wet when applying creams and gels. I'm going to use this curl cream from Clever Curl. It's super moisturizing. I've been loving it lately. We got a lot of cream there. And that's probably too much, but I'm just raking it through. Making sure I get all the little ponytails as well. Then I'm going in with the Clever Curl Curl Gel. And I'm going to glaze and scrunch. Oh, just dropped heaps on the floor. Just raking it and then I'll start scrunching. This cream and gel combo is just for dry hair especially. Lately I haven't been using the Denman brush on my whole head, so I would used to detangle my whole hair with the Denman brush after styling, but lately I've just been leaving it, just scrunching and then using the Denman brush to style my front bits. But today we don't need to do that. Going back to when I said it was the busiest week of my life, I'm traveling for the first time for work, for social media, which is so exciting. I'm going to a TikTok house that my agency has organized, and it's a bit nerve-wracking because I don't know anyone going, but there's a full itinerary and it's going to involve a lot of content creation, so I will be busy. So yeah, I'm like, I can just focus on work if I'm feeling a bit anxious or social anxiety, because I do get social anxiety, especially if I don't know anyone. Alright, my curls are feeling very hydrated. I also did an overnight mask, so I'm hoping they turn out very, very juicy. I'll probably let it air dry for a bit and then I'll diffuse and I'll get back to you with the results. I'm gonna go do some emails now. Catch you soon. So next time I'm gonna do the ties a bit more further back so you can see the details, because my hair just kind of covers it and you can only see these two. So I'd like to sit more back so you can actually see that. But I'm really happy with how my curls turned out. Those styling products worked really well, and yeah, overall it's really cute. I just wish I could see more of it and it had more of a headband effect, so next time I'll do that further back, but it's a good first attempt. Anyway, back to when I was talking about the busiest week of my life. I am traveling to Queensland for a TikTok house, which I mentioned. I've also got some big family events this weekend. I've got to leave Queensland early next week to go to a Dyson event, which is exciting. And then I'm driving 7 hours to a wedding, and that's all just non-stop. There's no breaks or days in between those. So yeah, I'm very excited, but I also tend to get very anxious and overwhelmed easily. So I'm just trying to stay positive, stay calm. This weekend I'm gonna pack everything, sort out my flights, like check in and stuff. Today I've got to do something for a brand for the Iconic, and I'm just waiting for the parcel to come. So yeah, I'm just hoping the parcel comes soon so I can get the content to the brand because it's due today. I'll also try to vlog everything that's happening next week. I'll definitely vlog the Queensland experience. The house looks amazing. And yeah, there's a lot going on. We're going to Movie World. We have all these different classes, yoga classes, and a lot of content to make. So it's so exciting. What is life? I'm gonna do some content now, just do a little clothing haul, and I'll get back to you guys for lunch. I'll show you the meal prep that I made this week. I've been quite healthy doing my meal prep. I did meal prep last week and tried a new dish this week, so I'll show you that soon. Hi. I just got the sickest parcel from Glassons. I can't wait to show you guys these jackets that I got. They're so cool. I'll show you the meal prep that I made this week. I just ate mine for the day. So it's sauté chicken breasts, brown rice and broccoli. Pretty boring. Next time I'm gonna add like roast carrots, maybe some other veggies, and probably more sauce on the chicken. But it's tasty and it's healthy. I also just got a parcel from the Iconic, the one I was waiting for to do the content. So I'm gonna film the Iconic haul now. I did a little Jaded London haul just before. This is one of the outfits, this little play suit. And Fabian should be home in like 2 hours, and I'm thinking maybe I'll go to the gym. We'll see how I feel. I haven't been to the gym in ages, and I feel like I just need to get a bit more toned, just get a bit more healthy, because yeah, it's not good to be sitting still all day, every day. Is it, Fiona? I think this is one of my favorite outfits I've put together. It's so cute. It's giving me Bratz doll vibes, 90s, but not too 90s, still current. And as you know, I love brown and neutral shades like this. The clothes are all from Glassons. This coat is new from them. I also got it in black. How cute. It reminds me of like That's So Raven, Cheetah Girls, all those 90s Disney channels. The hat is from Cotton On. The bag is from Take Two Luxury Boutique. It's like a vintage remade Louis Vuitton. And the boots are from Tony Bianco. How freaking cute. It looks like my hair, the sleeves. So soft. But I just filmed a reel / TikTok for this outfit, so I'm going to edit that now. Normally this shoe shelf is back there, but sometimes I move it to film here. Let me know what you guys think of this outfit, and also if you want me to switch up the reels location, I will try find a new spot. This is just the best spot for lighting, and it's kind of my only plain neutral spot in the house because everything else has paintings in the background or screws and nails or PowerPoint, so this is my best option for outfits reels. I've got a pretty chill day today, just waiting to hear back from a couple brands, so I thought I'd just film a reel that I wanted to do. I'm gonna eat some lunch, the same lunch that I showed you yesterday, and I've just got to prepare for this week of traveling to Queensland, traveling back, traveling to a wedding, so making sure I'm packed for both those things because there's no real break in between all that. There's a magpie. I gotta show you the magpies. There's been some magpies on our balcony this morning. I'm trying not to scare it so it doesn't fly away. And Fiona is dying. She's so excited. There was like 5 of them on the balcony, the whole family, and I googled what you could feed them, so I just put like seeds and crushed up oats. Not too much, just a little bit on a plate, so he's still eating away at that. And Fiona is loving the new form of entertainment. Oh, it's a bit scared of you. You wouldn't hurt it, you love birdies. Hi. He flew away.
What's this for, your going away vlog?
This is a vlog before my going away vlog. I'm gonna start my going away vlog tomorrow. What? Bye.
See ya, have fun. Oh my goodness.
I washed my hair today and I trimmed my bangs because they were coming down to here. And I'm leaving tomorrow for my trip. I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching this vlog and stay tuned for my next vlog, which will be a travel vlog. I know in this vlog I just stayed home the whole time. I swear I go out sometimes. I just always forget to vlog when I leave the house. I'll see you soon in my next video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already.